Hey guys, what's going on? I'm working on this 1960 Ranchero. Took a little break, but I'm back at it. So what I'm doing today is removing this steering wheel so I can access the turn signal switch. So steering wheel's a little stuck, so I went down to the O'Reilly's and got myself this steering wheel puller. It comes with all kinds of bolts. It's universal. It's the main piece you need there, and then so this bolt's gonna fit on mine. I've already got this bolt started here, so I'll place this on there, and then once you remove that cap, you'll see that it's got these holes for this puller. So bear with me, I'll get the second bolt on here. There it is, so I'm just gonna thread it in. Okay, I've got this one here in the center started, so I'll tighten it down. Okay, and basically all you do is just tighten down this one here, and it's gonna pull on that center bolt, and it should remove the steering wheel. I've soaked it with some PV blaster to hopefully help it loose. So here we go. Man, looks like it's loose. So I'm gonna screw this bolt. Remove this one. Get rid of this thing. And there you have it, and just pull it loose. There's the steering wheel. And of course, I've got some interesting little gadget here. So should be fun. I've got myself a wiring diagram, so now I just got to trace everything. We've got some funky stuff going on here with the wiring. I think the last time I showed you all how to remove this light switch. So yep, that's the project. Got the steering wheel off, so now we can figure out what's wrong with this switch and if I need to replace it. Okay, thanks.